I'm going to teach you a new technique to create glitches, and for that we are going to use Adobe's AI. Welcome to this tutorial. Let's jump straight into After Effects. First we import our footage, then we drag and drop the video onto the composition icon to start working. To stay organized, we rename it. I'll call it main comp. Next, left-click on the video, then use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus C to create a new space, where we'll apply the glitch effect. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. Keyboard shortcuts will always be displayed. Now, we rename this layer and enter the composition by double-clicking on it. This is where we'll use Adobe's AI, called Content-Aware Fill. Normally, this effect is used to remove part of an image, but in our case, we're going to put Adobe's algorithm in a situation it doesn't understand. So, it generates a glitch. To do this, we start by modifying the composition. We separate width and height with this small icon. Then, we increase the height by 400 pixels and hit confirm. After that, we apply the CC Reptile effect to fix the transparent edges. We add 200 pixels at the top and bottom, then choose Unfold mode to create a mirror effect. Next, we apply the CC Composite effect and select Silhouette Alpha mode. This will keep only the pixels from the CC Reptile effect. Now we can ask the AI to generate the missing pixels. Since there are almost no material left, the algorithm is going to produce something completely unexpected. A glitch. There's just one last step. We need to give the AI a first reference image. So we go back to the first frame and disable the CC Composite effect. Now the AI has a natural reference image, the original one, and its job will be to generate the rest. We open the Content-Aware Fill panel from the window menu. In the settings, make sure to select Useful Work Area. Then we start the generation and just wait. It's time to grab a coffee. In the meantime, I just want to say that I developed this method while experimenting on a music video for Digma. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the description. Now that the image is generated, let's see the results. Back in the main composition, I refined the look by adding some displacement effects and film grain. For me, film grain is essential, because it softens the very synthetic AI rendering and gives the image a more vibrant and organic feel. By the way, I'm sharing the full project, including images, film grain, and even the After Effects files. You can find it on my Instagram, I'll put a link in the description. Thanks in advance if you decide to follow me. If you liked this tutorial and are curious about other effects, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make more tutorials. And if you enjoyed this one, feel free to subscribe, it really helps.